Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to connect Wix to Zapier for automated financial workflows. So for this, first of all, log into your Wix site and go to the dashboard. Once you are on your dashboard, now over the left side, scroll down and click on Settings. From Settings, here you need to scroll down or simply search for Developer. So you will find this setting, which is Headless Settings. Click on it. So if I scroll down, there we have admin API key. So here you need to click on manage API key, and from there you need to generate a key. So it will take few seconds. Okay, so now here over the top right side we have generate API key option. Click on it, add some details here and then click on generate key. Once the key is generated, now go to zapier.com and log into your account. Now on the left side we have Zaps option. Click on Zaps. And here you have the create option on the top right side. Click on create and now go to news app. So from here you need to add Wix as trigger event. So first of all click on trigger and from here search for Wix. We have search bar on the top. Search for Wix and add the app. So once it is added, now here we have the second option, which is action. So you need to paste that API key here and then click on publish. So in this way you can connect Zapier with Wix. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.